Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we kick this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections and continue to provide all the great stuff such as this video. Without further ado, let us jump right in. Today, I am super happy and super excited to be bringing to you guys Tomica Limited Vintage Neo, Nissan GTR 50th anniversary packs, 2020 models. They came out with 3 models, the blue and white, the silver and white, and the white and red. Since Tomica is such a high-end and premium model, such as the ones we're going to be seeing today, it only deserves the proper treatment. Let's get these gloves on. Premium unboxing for such a premium product. Let's have a look at this packaging. So we got LV N200A, the GTR 50th anniversary by Tomica, scale of 1/64, always with the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. That's going to be the car featured in the box. Give you a little imprint of the color. This side, same thing, similar writing, similar to the front. Up here and back, we got some choking hazards, some other information. For those of you that read Japanese, please help me out. I actually have absolutely no clue what this all means. We get a nice little card over here with a redemption token with the proof of purchase. Put that on the side. Typically they'll have some parts, if they have side mirrors or whatnot, they'll typically include it at the bottom of the box in a little ziplock. And look at this, this is absolutely gorgeous. This Tomica 50th anniversary model in this deep blue color is stunning, absolutely beautiful. Tomica already takes a pride and detail in their JDM models, but this is just like next level. You got plastic headlights, you got separate wheels with a built-in rotor on here, rubber wheels, you got that charcoal gray skirt all around, blue painted tail lights, the little painted light in the rear, plastic tail lights, the 50th anniversary badging, Nissan badging, a clear white decal vinyl all around from back to front, the side mirrors, little chrome silver on the door handles, the side vents, everything is perfect to scale, even the interior, you got even two-tone seats. It's breathtaking, it's another level, full metal on metal. There's no flaw I have to see in this model. There's not even the windshield and the side mirrors aren't even scratched. Some cars come scratched. There's no scuffs, absolutely nothing. It's stunning, and they made a 3 set. It's unbelievable. the silver LV 200B. Same packaging as the LV 200A. Same color in the box. Surprised they didn't go with an individual. Every different color had its own. This 50th GTR set in this shimmery silver color does not stand out as the navy deep blue color that we previously saw. With the white stripe and the silver body, there's still some details which don't pop. You have the blue wheels, the same thing as the 50th. Actually, all 50th models are gonna have this. The blue painted taillights are a little bit more noticeable on this model. Even all the writing, the 50th badging, the Nissan badging, it's all a lot less dull. In general, it's sad. It's a nice color for this set. Unfortunately, it doesn't give that extra wow factor and that bang like the shimmery deep blue that we saw earlier. And finally, the white and red version, the Dash C model. This GTR in this white is a typical Nismo color. For all you collectors out there, Nismo and white go very well hand in hand. They put the red stripe on this, which just stands out the most. You do have some other details, which are the darker features, the darker details, and those stand out a little bit more. These wheels are a charcoal gray as opposed to the blue like the other two variants had. You got the blue painted taillights, you got the 50th anniversary right there in the back, also all in red. Nice contrasts, nice details, black lining all around the windows. Everything picks up nicely. Again, my favorite one of the set is still the blue one, hands down. This one is a very, very close second. And then you got the silver, which is in third place for me. But all in all, I can say Tomica and your JDM models, you guys are fantastic. You guys are continuing to bring this up to another level. For the dollar value, it's very, very hard to beat at this scale. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but so well worth it when you get your hand in this. The weight, the feeling, it's a premium feeling, a premium product. it's something that you will never ever be disappointed in. That wraps this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting, and as always, I'm Adrian, and we will see you all in the next one.